Hi everyone, welcome to Science in Action, the podcast where we explore best tools to make science education more fun, interactive, and effective. So I am Joel Oli.
And I am Albert J. Cacho. Today we're diving into a widely used and highly recommended tool in science education, which is the PhET Interactive Simulations by the University of Colorado Boulder.
We will explore why PhET stands out, how it works, and how it can transform the way science is taught and learned, especially in subjects like physics, chemistry, earth science, and more.
Okay, let's start with the basics with the PhET. So PhET is a free online platform that offers interactive simulations for various science topics. Whether you're a teacher or student, so PhET gives you hands-on learning experiences without needing a laboratory equipment or a lab.
Exactly. So it supports guided and exploratory learning. So we tried the greenhouse effect simulation in earth science, and it was very eye-opening. So you can adjust variable like sunlight, greenhouse gases, and atmosphere composition, and instantly see how this affect Earth's temperature.
So now, partner, according to our software selection criteria, let's break it down. So first, capital cost. So the PhET is absolutely free. So no installation needed for most simulations, and you just need a browser.
It's true. So it's super accessible, great for low resource settings, and there's minimal learning curve. So the interface is intuitive, and there are built-in guides for each simulation.
So that's right. So next is the operating cost. So again, basically none. So as long as you have internet and a device, you're good to go. And also updates are regular and free.
So okay, moving on to functions and features. So PhET excels here. So it supports multiple file formats. It's browser-based and works on laptops, tablets, and even the phones. So plus, it allows real-time data manipulations, which encourage critical thinking.
And also, the simulations are aligned with the NGSS partner and other international standards. That's a big plus for the teachers building for the lesson plans. And you can even switch a language, perfect for multilingual classrooms.
So when it comes to reliability, PhET has been around since 2002. So it back research and updates regularly and use thousands of educators worldwide.
So now, let's talk about its usability. So our favorite part, it's very user-friendly and you don't need to be tech-savvy to use it. Students can explore on their own or follow instructions in structured activities.
And finally, vendor aspects. So PhET is developed by the University of Colorado Boulder. Our reputable institutions, they offer support, resources, and teachers' guides, and even community forums.
And one standout feature that we love in this application, PhET can be embedded into Google Slides or LMS platforms. So that's a big plus for the PhET, and also that means seamless integration into existing digital classrooms.
Okay, to wrap up, PhET Interactive Simulation check all the boxes for effective, engaging, and affordable science teaching tools. So it empowers both teachers and students to explore and visualize complex concepts.
So that's right, partner. So we highly recommend PhET for any science educator looking to bring their lessons to life. It's interactive, plus research-based, and super accessible for everyone. Try it out at phet.colorado.edu.
So thanks for joining us on Science in Action. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you next time.
Keep exploring and make science fun.
Yeah.